What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Hope everybody's doing great. Well, anyways, going back to what we were saying. Hope everybody's doing good. Today, as you can see by the thumbnail, we are finally putting on the injectors on the Jeep. I had the original ones that go on the G37, but I didn't want to have to put them on and then have to change them on later on. So I was like, I'll just wait for them. So I'm gonna be installing the injectors. I'll be putting on the starter that I bought too, so that's all squared away, and then a couple other things too. So it should be easy, short maybe, but you know how that goes. So we shall see. Oh, and the injectors that I got, they are the ID1050x. I already got them on there. They were pretty self-explanatory. You just took the other ones out. They have this little clips. Where's it at? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? This one that holds the injector there, right here. And yeah, I was also waiting for this guys here because I bought them and they came with this part over here, and then you had to like rewire it to this fuckers here. So I was like, not doing that. So I ended up buying this, and I'm not gonna lie to you, they were expensive. It's like $100 almost just for this shit. So it just plugs to here, and then from here it plugs to the injector, so it makes it that much easier somewhat. So yeah, then I'll be installing this guy here. I'll just show you guys how to put them on. Really easy actually. Where's it at? Right here. You just push it in there. There. So it goes no more, basically. And then you just put this little pin over here. If I can get it in there. There. That's good. Now, put this thing on. My guess is goes right here. That's it. Okay, there. Set. And then from there, plugs right there. That's that. That wasn't too bad. If anything, just take it out. Cool. I mean, the quality is not too great. It's not the worst either. But I hope they actually work, because they were pricey. So yeah, we'll get the other ones done and move on to the next stuff. Alright, well, I got them all done. They're all on there. Now let's go to the car and take the plenum off. Show you guys how to do that, which is pretty easy. Well, my bad. I didn't mean to say plenum, I meant to say manifold. So we need to take this bad boys out. This should come out like that. Yeah, it's still loose. Take this puppies out. Here. And then has this one here and another one back here somewhere. Yeah, and this puppies that are just loose there. So I'll do another time lapse because shit's boring anyways. So yeah. Alright, so I figured it'd be easier to do it without the camera, because I don't have anywhere to put it. But anyways, yeah, took this guy's out. This goes here, and then have another one that goes back there, and the intakes. Alright, now we have to take these puppies out and slap this guy's here and there. So I would try to do a time lapse, but again, I don't have anywhere to hold it or anything. So let me see. This is a damn struggle, bro. Damn struggle. There's that. A little higher. That's so. Let's try it again. Alright, so that's done. Got them in there. Oh shit, sorry. Now I have to put the upper manifold back on. And, well, it's not one thing, it's another, you know? This line, it's the one that goes in here. So I have to find a way, because this shit's hard though. Like, it's some hard material. So, and sorry, I had that in there. Find a way to make it go in there. I'm sure it will, so, but that, I'm not too worried about that. That was my biggest concern here. You want to make sure before you tighten them up that they're actually going inside the hole, because if you just throw it in there and then start putting pressure on it and all that, they might just F up the little O-rings, and you don't want that. So I'm gonna put it back on and move on from there. All right, so I already got everything back together. The hoses, all this shit, everything's tight for now. Now I'm gonna take the radiator off, to put this fucker on, because, well, like I said. Oh, and I don't know, hopefully it'll work, because, yeah, like I got it from a G35, and I had to cut these things off. It does usually come off from here, because that's how I took off the other one. But to rent the tool was like freaking, well, you couldn't rent it actually, at least where I went. It was like almost $30. I'm like, yeah, no. So I'll have my friend see. He told me he could weld it, like weld the freaking copper on it from here to the lines, which is this one here and this one here. So I'll just cut this somewhere on here and go straight over there. But yeah, now we'll just take this guy out of here. Hopefully it'll come off easily. Alright, cool. It wasn't too bad. And let's put the other one on. And well, nowadays it's not one thing, it's another. So I got the damn AC condenser in there, and now we're having trouble here. You know this right here? Yeah. So what I'm gonna do right now, because what the hell, I'm not gonna take it out now. I'm probably gonna end up cutting it down here, right down here, both of them. That way I get rid of this guy. Oh, you're fast. Sorry. Get rid of this, guys, because honestly, I'm not gonna change it and look for another one. I'm just gonna try to see later on, once I get the car running and everything, see if I can just somebody get like weld it or do some trick there, work on it. But I can't really do anything else because we need this guy through here. We need him through here. Yeah. So I still have to start it to do, but I mean, that's really nothing exciting. So with that being said, that's probably gonna be it for this video. It's probably short and sweet, whatever. Gotta watch that thing. I'll probably do a video on it next, maybe an update on it or whatnot. We'll see. But yeah, that's gonna be it for now. Thank you guys for watching, and make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.